close the road. Oh, they're going to put us down a dirt road.
Oh, yes, they are.
Oh, fuck. No, we're going down the wrong way.
Yeah.
They were supposed to go straight and they all went the wrong way. That'll cause another accident. Assholes.
Oh, yeah, here we go.
Turn around? Okay. Turn around? Okay. Turn around? Yeah.
Got no choice.
That's okay. Better be safe. Where are we going to go if we're turning around?